Are you looking for a notebook that is lightweight, that's powerful, and can last all day long with your work style? I'm James Hilliard with Connection. I've got the latest MacBook Air. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Picking this up, first thing I should show you is the iconic wedge design, right? That is still incorporated here in this generation of the MacBook Air. Strong, sturdy, right? This feels like a good device in here, but it only comes in at under 3 pounds, so something that's gonna be easy to tote around throughout my work day. I can feel the touch. It's got the aluminum feel. We're used to that. What you might not know is that aluminum, 100% recycled aluminum chassis. That is what has gone into here, part of Apple's green initiatives. Looking on the rest here, I've got 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. These are going to go for power and all the accessories you need. Turning things around here, we also have a headphone jack here, so listening to all that great audio. So that is the first look here at the MacBook Air. Let's go ahead and power it up and we'll show you what's inside. All right, so we've powered up our MacBook Air. We've got it connected. I want to show you some of the things inside the device. First thing you're going to notice is the Retina display. Beautiful looking screen, something that's going to be easy on your eyes to look at all day long. Want to point up here to the battery icon. I had mentioned earlier all day battery. Well, that means 10 to 12 hours for your workday. Touch ID, that's this button right here. It's an integrated power and fingerprint reader. And then I'm going to take a look as I turn this around. Just want to get my hands on this, and it is a full-size feeling keyboard, and I can easily see if I'm moving throughout the day, my hands don't have to kind of cramp together to get my work done. So I like how that feels. Have a large trackpad here as well to be able to manipulate anything on the screen. So that's what we have. This is the MacBook Air. If you want more information, we encourage you to head to connection.com/Apple.